Today we are going to learn statement of affair method with and without adjustments. We are going to solve statement of affair method with the adjustment and without adjustments. There are two sums we are going to solve today. Okay, let me see the problem. Yes. First problem. On 1st April 2017, Ganesh started business with the capital of rupees 75,000. So opening capital is given. He did not maintain the proper books of accounts. Following particulars are available from his books on 31st March 2018. So opening capital is given 75,000. On 31/3/2018, his position was given: cash, stock, furniture, land, debtor, creditor, bank, bills payable. During the year, he withdrew rupees 15,000 for his personal use, that is called drawing. He introduced further capital of rupees 20,000. This is called additional capital. Calculate his profit or loss. In this problem, opening capital is given, closing capital is not given. So we have to prepare closing statement of affair to find closing capital. Yes, let me solve the problem. First we will prepare statement of affairs. We will prepare statement of affairs as on closing date 31/3/2018. It has two sides, namely liabilities side and asset side. Liability side and asset side. Liability side and asset side. First, cash. Cash is an asset. Cash is an asset. How much? 5,000. Next, stock. Stock, how much? 18,000. Next, furniture. Next, furniture, 3,000. Next, land, 30,000. Next, we have debtor, asset, 16,000. Next, creditor is a liability. Creditor is a liability, 9,000. Next, bank. Bank is a asset, 24,000. Bills payable is a liability. So record all assets on the asset side, liabilities on the liability side. Now what we'll do, we'll add all assets. The total assets value 1,03,000. 1,03,000 minus 15,000, we will get 88,000. This we called closing capital. So capital we ascertained by preparing statement of affair, balancing figure. So opening capital is given, we ascertained closing capital. Now we can prepare statement of profit and loss account. Heading goes like this: statement of profit and loss account for the year ended, date 31/3/2018. What is the format for this? Start with closing capital. Just now we ascertained closing capital. It is 88,000. Then we have to add drawings. Drawings are given in the question. During the year, he withdrew 15,000 for his personal use. That is called drawings. Then we have to deduct additional capital or capital introduced during the year. It is given in the question. He introduced further capital, means additional capital. How much? 20,000 rupees. That we have to deduct from that. This we called adjusted capital. Minus opening capital, that is given in the question itself. Opening capital given in the question. How much? 75,000. Here adjusted capital is more than the opening capital, so we can say this one as profit. So 83,000 minus 75. 83,000 minus 75. 13 minus 5 equal to 18. So our profit is 8,000 rupees. Students, in this case, opening capital is given. We ascertained closing capital. Then I prepared statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. I ascertained profit. Here, opening capital alone given. We ascertained closing capital. In this problem, no adjustments are given. Next, we are going to solve one problem. That problem has some adjustments. Now, listen carefully. In next problem, both the capital, opening capital as well as closing capital, both the capitals are not given. So we have to prepare two statement of affair, namely opening statement of affair as well as closing statement of affair we have to prepare. Then we have to prepare statement of profit and loss account. Now look at the problem. Sum number 2. Ahmed does not keep proper books of accounts. Find profit or loss made by him for the year ended 31/3/2018. Particulars 1/4/2017 information and 31/3/2018 informations are given. Bank, cash, stock, debtor, plant, furniture, creditor. Ahmed had withdrawn rupees 40,000 for his personal use. This is called a drawing. He had introduced an additional capital of rupees 16,000. This is called additional capital. Then here the problem given with some adjustments. A provision of 5% on debtor is to be made. So we have to create provision for doubtful debts on closing debtor. So we have to provide provision for doubtful debts for the closing debtor. So we have adjustment for debtor. Then plant is to be depreciated by 10%. We have to provide depreciation on the closing balance of plant. Yes, in this problem adjustments are given. That adjustment should be recorded in the closing statement of affair. And in this sum, opening capital as well as closing capital both are not given. So we have to prepare two statement of affair, namely opening statement of affair as well as closing statement of affair. Now I am going to prepare opening statement of affair. Yes, statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on 1/4/2017. Liabilities, assets, liabilities and assets. Now we should consider the information given under the 1/4/2017. The first information is bank 14,000. It is credit. That is very, very important. Bank debit is given. It will appear in the asset side. Okay, I'll write note for that. Bank debit or credit not given. Asset. Bank credit given, liability. Bank debit given, asset. So bank credit is given, then only it will be on the liability side, or else it will be appear in the asset side. Here bank 14,000 credit, this means bank overdraft, so it will appear in the liability side. Bank credit, this we called bank overdraft. This we called as bank overdraft, value 14,000. Next, cash is given. It is asset. Cash, the value of cash 800. Next, stock is given. Stock value how much? 12,000. Then debtor value. Debtor value 34,000. Then plant value 80,000. Next, furniture 40,000. Then creditor, it appears in the liabilities. Creditor, it appears in the liability. The value of creditor how much? 60,000. So we have to add all assets. The total assets value 1,66,800. 1,66,800 minus 74,000 will get 92,800. This one we call it as opening capital. Opening capital balancing figure. Next, we have to prepare closing statement of affair. Then we have to prepare closing statement of affairs. Statement of affairs as on date 31/3/2018. It has two sides, liabilities and assets. Now we should look information given under the on 31/3/2018. First item is bank. Bank given in the debit side. So bank debit side. So it will appear in the asset side. Next, cash. The value of cash 1500. Next, stock. The value of stock 16,000. Next, debtor. Debtor 30,000. We have adjustment for that. Debtor 30,000. We have provision for debtor 5%. We have to create minus provision 5% on 30,000, 1,500. So balance 28,500. Next, plant 80,000. For plant we have depreciation. Depreciation is to be provided at 10%. Plant is to be depreciated at 10%. So 10% on 80,000 is 8,000. So the balancing plant value 72,000. Then we have furniture. Its value 40,000. Next we have creditor. Its value 72,000. Next we have to write the total of asset 1,76,000. 1,76,000 minus 72, our closing capital. So 1,76,000 minus liability will get what? Closing capital. Balancing figure. So now we ascertained opening capital as well as closing capital. Now we can prepare statement of profit and loss account. Now we can prepare statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Its format goes like this. Closing capital as usual. Closing capital, just now we ascertained how much? 1,04,000. Then we have to add drawing. Drawings are given in the adjustments. Ahmed had withdrawn 40,000 for his personal use. That is drawing 40,000. So total 1,44,000. Then we have to deduct additional capital. Additional capital also given in the question. He had introduced additional capital how much? 16,000. 14 minus 6 equal to 18. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Balance 1. Once again 0. 14 minus 6 equal to 18. Here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Then 1. Minus opening capital. Opening capital we ascertained how much? 92,800. 92,800. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 12 minus 9 equal to. So our answer is profit rupees 35,200. Here adjusted capital is more than the opening capital. Students, we solved statement of affair method with and without adjustment problem. In next class we will solve problem relating to the conversion method. Till then, bye and thank you.